A multi-tool is a versatile and handy device that combines several functions in one tool. While they are incredibly useful, it's essential to use them safely to avoid accidents and injuries. Here's a multi-tool safety guide to help you stay safe while using these tools. Before each use, inspect the multi-tool for any visible damage, cracks, broken parts, or excessive wear. Do not use a damaged tool, as this can lead to further issues and potential hazards. Different multi-tools have various functions, and it's crucial to use the appropriate tool for the task at hand. Trying to use the wrong tool can lead to accidents or damage the tool itself. Treat your multi-tool with care and respect. Avoid dropping or throwing it, as this can cause damage and create sharp edges that may harm you or others. Depending on the task, wear suitable PPE such as safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection. This is especially important when using cutting or grinding functions. Always work in a well-lit environment. This reduces the risk of making mistakes or causing accidents due to poor visibility. Maintain a secure grip on the multi-tool while using it. Slippery or sweaty hands can lead to accidents and injuries. When possible, use a stable workbench or surface to operate the multi-tool. Avoid using it on uneven or unstable platforms. When using cutting or sawing functions, be mindful of where your fingers are placed. Keep them clear of the blade or moving parts to avoid accidental cuts. When you're finished using the multi-tool, store it in a safe and secure place. If your multi-tool has a power cord or retractable blade, make sure to unplug it or retract the blade when not in use to prevent accidental activation. Some multi-tools have locking features to keep certain tools in place during use. Ensure that you understand how these mechanisms work and are using them appropriately. Focus on the task at hand and avoid distractions while using the multi-tool. Accidents are more likely to happen when you're not paying full attention. When using a multi-tool, make sure others are at a safe distance to avoid potential accidents. Keep your multi-tool clean and well maintained. Regularly lubricate moving parts and follow the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance to ensure the tool operates safely and effectively. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy the convenience of a multi-tool while minimizing the risk of accidents or injuries. Always prioritize safety and take the time to use the tool correctly.